Hi, I'm Jeff Babener, chair of the law firm of Babener and Associates. Since I lecture and publish fairly extensively, you have likely visited our website, mlmlegal.com, one of the more frequently visited websites on network marketing and one which we hope you find extremely helpful in starting your MLM or direct selling company. For the past 25 years, our law firm has served as a key legal and business advisor to major companies like Avon, Shackley, Nu Skin, ACN, Prepaid Legal, Longaberger, and Tupperware. In fact, we've been right there at the beginning and actively involved in the creation of companies like Nikon, Excel, USANA, Maluka, and Legacy. In addition, we have been actively involved in providing resources support to companies like Quickstar, Creative Memories, and Manatech. We represent many members of the DSA, and in fact, we even incorporated the MLMIA and served as general counsel. Although we are a full-service firm for MLM companies, we are specialists. We limit our clients strictly to MLM, direct sales, network marketing, and party plan. In fact, much of our work is referenced to us by small and large corporate law firms throughout the U.S. and other countries. We are an ultra-niche law firm, and we have chosen to focus like a laser strictly on advising direct selling companies. Although you are hearing here about our involvement with some well-established companies, I need to say that our specialty is the MLM startup. Actually, all of those companies we helped to establish started at a conference table with me on one side and one individual founder with high hopes on the other. It might have been at our office. It might have been at one of the approximately 50 national conferences we have sponsored over the last 2 decades, entitled Starting and Running the Successful MLM Company. Or it might have been after hearing me lecture at the University of Texas or University of Illinois or University of Houston. In the beginning, that was me sitting across from Frank Vandersloot of Maluka, or Tom Watanabe of Nikon, or Steve Smith and Kenny Trout of Excel. And we are long-term players. We brought Nikon to the U.S. from Fukuoka, Japan in 1990, and we have served as general counsel and their most trusted business advisor for 20 years, growing to represent the company in more than 40 countries. 20 years later, Steve Smith came back to us after Excel was sold to Wall Street for $1 billion and said, "Jeff, let's do this all over again, and let's start another." And we did. Entrepreneurs come to us because we are far more than a law firm to them. We know this business. In fact, we probably know the business better than most of our clients. Over time, even though we are their lawyers, we tend to become their most trusted business advisors and member of their business team. And usually more than 50% of our discussions are about successful operations of their network marketing business and growing it, as opposed to mere legal issues. As a courtesy to our clients, we often serve as keynote speaker in support of the companies at major conventions, and we've done so from LA to Nashville to Honolulu and around the world, from Russia to China to Thailand. Our clients have used our credibility and reputation as a key asset in their growth. On the legal and business front, we play an integral role in the startup. We create all the documentation, all the agreements, policies, language for forms, etc. More importantly, we are intimately involved in the structure of the marketing program and the development of the compensation plan. If the issue involves trademarks, vendor agreements, labeling or FDA, sales tax, key relationships with founding distributors or medical or celebrity endorsers, administration of the distributor sales force in areas such as advertising, discipline, or communication, MLM registrations or regulatory compliance with FTC, FDA, MLM statutes, postal, Attorney General and state consumer protection legislation, that's us. In fact, both at the startup and on an ongoing basis, not one piece of marketing material goes out that we don't review and provide input. That includes all web and HTML copy, scripting for audio and video, PowerPoint presentations, all hard copy and printed materials, web communication, and every other media type. Anything that will make its way to distributors, prospects, customers, and the public, we're involved. And when we have created a great model, we help take our clients into international markets and around the world. Everything we do in startup and long-term representation is driven by our number one goal: helping our clients to be successful and to stay in business. Our clients have our office number, home numbers, cell numbers, private email addresses. Unless we're in a river canyon on a raft, we try to make ourselves almost always available. Expect to talk to us whether it is a night or weekend, or whether we are in Tokyo or Moscow or Beijing. As mentioned, we are long-term members of a business team. We don't know the meaning of short-term relationships. We're looking for companies that intend to be successful, and we intend to help make them successful and to grow with them. If an MLM startup group is looking for this type of support, Babener and Associates is the right team partner for them. Please visit us at www.mlmlegal.com or call us at 503-226-6600.